It's Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity, and I have a very special video today. Our daughter Elizabeth is away on a birthday trip, and Greg and I are at her place watching the kids while she's gone. And I was thinking, oh, it's her birthday. What can we do? What special thing can we do for her? Oh, didn't take me long to remember her balcony is in much need of a makeover. Corona Tools loved the idea, and they sent us a bunch of really cool products that'll work great in smaller scale balcony, patio kind of gardening. And I thought you guys might also enjoy seeing how I tackle a tiny little space like this. Liz comes back in less than 24 hours. So first things first, let's clear the space. Are you ready? Okay. Oh God, sorry. I didn't know you were still there. Her little staking system is so adorable. It's so spacious now. I feel like I could almost run a marathon out here. Now that we have the space cleared out, we can start bringing in the big stuff. I think I like it angled, because then we also cover up that downspout. Yeah, that's it. Okay, I'm feeling good about these would be the equivalent of my rocks if I were in a landscape, right? All of my heavy stuff. I feel good about the weight on each side. Really excited now to get going with bringing the sprinkles. Let's get planting. Okay, now for the fun part, right guys? Now these pots, I know they look very, very expensive, but they're actually plastic. And the reason for that is because my grandchildren are 5 and 7. I don't think I need to say more about that. So I have a daughter that loves succulents. Liz appreciates and enjoys succulents, but she also enjoys flowers. She's just starting to get into growing food. So this is going to be a mixed planting arrangement out here today. For this little plant stand though, I wanted to focus on the pokies, and I want to keep the pokies kind of all in one place. The kids are very, very good. They've been around me long enough to know to stay away from pokey things. And this is, as I said, Santee. It's very hot and kind of hostile climatically speaking. So the flowers are great and all, but let's face it, they're not going to last. It'll be pretty pop of color for what, maybe 4 to 6 weeks. But these succulents, as we all know, will last a lifetime. This little euphorbia and ruticope arrangement was a housewarming gift 6 years ago, and it's very sentimental to my daughter. She says that the euphorbia is about this tall when I put it in. This is how much it's grown, and this is how long they've lived here. So she kind of marks the time by the growth of the euphorbia. I love this idea of the mixed medium installation, doing food and flowers and succulents and cactus. This long-handled trowel is clutch for this raised bed too. I love this. Well, we did it with the help of Hannah and our son John behind the camera. We got this extreme balcony makeover complete. What do you think, Jessup? What do you think of your new digs out here, huh? Yeah, I'm really pleased with the furniture. I had purchased the other furniture and it seemed like a good idea at the time, but it just got roasted by the weather and the cats and ugh. So I think this, it's a lower profile. Obviously they can't, there's no cushions. So this is just feeling really, really good to me. Our little potting area over here, I'm also loving. I've got to go grab some little chalks for Quinny to write on her chalkboard. This potting bench is so useful too. Check that out. She can pot her little things up right there and then just close her little lid. It's just so adorable. I tidied up my daughter's legacy planting. This just simply by cleaning the dead leaves from underneath the bottom of the aloe completely transformed this pot. I didn't do anything else other than trim up the bottom dead leaves and add a little fresh soil. Then our little garden bed, my daughter's so proud of her little tomatoes. And so I just added to them, I added an eggplant, a little bit of parsley, and another little cherry tomato. We did our little succulent hanging planters. Be sure and check with your HOA, your HOA, your rules and regulations at wherever you live before you hang anything on a balcony. It is allowed here to have hanging things off the railing, but be sure and check before you do it at your place. This is an actual hanging basket, and originally I thought I was going to put it in here, but it's clearly too big to go in there, and I just really love it here on the table. I just think that just pops. My daughter loves Gerbera daisies and Rudbeckia, so thus the point here. I even underplanted with a little succulent, couple little succulents here. And yes, this will have to be watered pretty heavily to keep the flowers going, but the succulents won't mind one bit. Then over here we have our little cactus corner. I love it. A little, just that cute little plant stand, some little decorative pumpkins for the fall. I think I'm really getting it, guys, with the restraint. Not too much, right? Just enough. And these little cute animals planted out with little cactus. My granddaughter is going to lose her mind. These are so cute. I'd like to thank Corona Tools for sponsoring this video and for sending the amazing tools from Burgeon and Ball. They really are useful and they're pretty and they came in so handy out here. So thank you, thank you, thank you. If you're interested in purchasing some of these higher end products for yourself, or if you have a loved one that would appreciate them, be sure and check the link in the description or go to Corona's website for more information. This has been Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity with your extreme balcony makeover. Happy birthday, Liz. Bye, guys.